Hi everyone, we are at the Garden of the Morning Calm.
So we're here at this, what garden place is this called, Ange?
It's called the Garden of the Morning Calm.
The Garden of the Morning Calm, wow. It's a huge touristy destination, this one, so we fit right in. I think I'm the only white person at this place, easy, which is pretty crazy. But it's really beautiful here, hey Ange?
It is, it's nice. You get to see all the autumn colors.
All the autumn colours. Alright, so let's check it out. People have been stacking up rocks here, Barton. Wow, this place is really beautiful. I know Barton. So we're going to the road to heaven, and as you might be able to see, I can zoom in for you guys. Whoa, whoa. There's a church right there. That's heaven. And it's up this really big hill, so me and Ange are pretty sweaty at the moment.
Pretty tired.
All these old Korean people seem like they can get up the hill pretty easy, but we're having a hard time, so. Yeah, but we really enjoyed it. I guess we'll have to go off to the next thing, and the next thing's Nami Island, I guess.
See you there.
See you there. So we're at the Nami Island, and it is quite packed, to say the least. Do a pan. Quite a few people here today.
A lot. A lot of people.
Not so secluded. But it looks pretty cool. So we're having some lunch. And we're looking through a menu. Having some Asian food today. So we'll see how it goes. So here's what I got. Got some spicy octopus. This is what Ange got. More bulgogi. How much bulgogi do you want, Barton?
But this one's not spicy.
Oh, okay. And then we got some wedges as well. That all comes up to 34,000 or 34,000. That's like 34 bucks, isn't it, Bob?
USD.
$34 US. So it is a little bit expensive. Yep, that was pretty spicy. Spicy but good. Yeah, Carl, how's it for you? Not as good as last night? Yeah. And now we're going to go for a bit of a tour. Hey Barton, give it a wave. Wow, Nami Island. What did you think, Barton?
It's super busy.
Really busy. Like there's tourists absolutely everywhere. A lot of locals, a lot of Filipinos. I saw lots of Filipinos. And some people from Indonesia, I believe. China. Yeah, so it's a really popular place, but it's not very quiet and secluded. You can kind of walk to like different points of the island that's like, you know, a little bit more quiet, but
Might be quiet probably late in the afternoon.
yeah. late in the afternoon. So if you're coming down here, probably go late in the afternoon.
Yeah, but just check the ferries, just in case. You might be.
Yeah,
you
don't
might have to go
don't
to
listen
the
to
hotel.
us. Don't listen to us. But yeah, it was really good. It's absolutely beautiful here. I enjoyed it. How about you, Bartha?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
But that's Nami Island, guys. Yeah, it's good fun. Let's go, Bartha.
Let's go.